Hi there. So we finished our addition and subtraction unit, but I am sending home some extra practice to get us so we are ready to go for that DA 1st of October. But let's look at what we're doing now. We're working with multiplication, and we know that multiplication is putting together equal groups to find a total or a product. So let's look at our problem today and see if we can solve this. Paige bought hair bows. There were 8 in each pack. Ishi bought 3 packs. How many hair bows did she buy all together? So I'm encouraging the students to think about what that multiplication is. And we know multiplication is equal groups and every group is going to have that same amount, and that's going to give us our total or our product, because as we know, that word product is the answer to any multiplication problem. So let me go back and read and see if I can identify the groups and how many are in each group. So it says Paige bought hair bows. Okay, so she's buying things. I see her. She's out there. She's probably got lots of pink and purple ones. She likes those colors. There were 8 in each pack. Well, I see right here that every pack has 8 in it. So I'm going to put 8 in each pack. And she's bought 3 packs. So 3 are my groups. I have 3 groups of 8, and that's going to give me my total or how many hair bows she's going to have. So we'll just label it B since we're not sure of that product yet. So we've worked lots of different ways. Last week and this week we've done arrays, we've done equal groups, and we've checked it with repeated addition as well. So today I'm going to do equal groups. So I know I have 3 groups. So just like you played circles and stars for homework last week, we're going to do that same idea here. And I have my 3 groups, and now I'm going to put 8 in each group. So I can just put 8 bows in there. They don't have to look like bows, of course, because we're in math class, not drawing class. And then if we want, we can do a repeated addition sentence underneath this, just so we're checking our work. So 8 here and another 8 here. I know that's 16. And then if I add another 8, 16 and 8, well, I could take 4 and that would be 20, and then 4 would be left over. So that would be total of 24. So in all, if I count all of them, and of course, if your kids want to count all of them, that's great. That's just another way to check, right? So how many hair bows did she have all together? Paige had 24 hair bows. So I've answered my question. I've represented it as an equation. Put that in black just to make sure everyone can see. And because we're 3rd graders, we're going to put that variable there. We're not going to do a question mark or a circle or boxes like we did in 2nd grade. We're going to use a variable, an unknown, because we did not know our total or our product. Have your students represent it with equal groups, or they could do an array. If this looked like an array, I would have 3 groups. So I would have 1, 2, 3 groups, and every group would have 8. It will still give us the same answer of 24 hair bows, even though we've done it as an array. So at home, if you have them practicing, create some word problems. Think about when you go to the store or look in your pantry, look at that box of fruit snacks. How many packs are there? How many are in each pack? And have them create some multiplication problems. And if we can do this groups and in and total, it's really going to help us next week when we start moving on to division, because we're really going to see that relationship of multiplication and division. Thanks. Have a great night.